Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your 2FA backup codes on Discord in just a few steps. Start by clicking the User Settings gear icon next to your name at the bottom left to open the Settings menu. The Settings window opens, overlaying your current view with a sidebar on the left showing all the available categories. In the Settings sidebar that appears on the left, click on Account to view your account security options. The main panel updates to show your account details, including your username, email, and various security settings further down the page. Scroll down until you see the Multi-Factor Authentication section, and click the button there to open your 2FA settings. This section sits below your password and email settings, and contains the controls for managing your authentication methods. On the Multi-Factor Authentication screen, click the Enable Authenticator app button. This is where you'll find your backup codes. A new panel appears showing your current 2FA status and the steps you'll need to follow to generate your backup codes. Discord will ask you to verify it's really you, so type your 6-digit authentication code from your Authenticator app into the field and click Activate. This verification step confirms you still have access to your Authenticator before allowing you to view or regenerate backup codes. Your backup codes now appear on screen as a list of 8-digit codes you can use to log in if you ever lose access to your Authenticator app. And you'll also see a download button at the bottom to save them as a text file. Each code works only once, so store them somewhere safe. A password manager or printed copy kept secure is a good option. If you don't see the Enable Authenticator app button, your 2FA might be set up differently. Look for a View Backup Codes button instead in the same section. Each backup code can only be used once, so if you've already used some of them, you'll see fewer codes in your list. Save the downloaded text file somewhere safe outside Discord, like a password manager or an encrypted folder, because if you lose your phone and don't have these codes, you'll be locked out of your account. Discord also lets you regenerate your backup codes if you need fresh ones. Just go back to this same screen and look for that option. And that's how to find your Discord 2FA backup codes. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.